Let's face it, men hate being told what to do. So you won't take kindly to a judge telling you what to pay, when to pay, and how often you can see your children. So what if I told you that it wasn't about the money? What if I told you that her taking you to court could be nothing more than her making your life a living hell? And get your hands out of my pocket, you will be equipped with the tools to deal with a spiteful, controlling woman. You'll be equipped with the tools to navigate the court system. You'll understand the wiring of a woman. Stop being a victim of the child support system. Take control of your life today. Download the ebook and you can have, in a matter of seconds, the tools you need to become a better parent partner, a higher income earner, and most importantly, an active part of your child's life, which will inevitably help you avoid the trappings of the child support system. Need a hard copy? Order the book by simply clicking on the Order Now button located on your screen. Thank you for tuning in to Raquel Williams.